Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sonicare C3 is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components of your oral hygiene routine, and choosing the right replacement heads can significantly impact the effectiveness of your Philips Sonicare toothbrush, ensuring a superior clean that traditional brushing simply cannot match. So let's dive into what makes these specific brush heads stand out and why they might be the perfect upgrade for your smile. Number 5. Aoremon Replacement Toothbrush Heads for Philips Sonicare E-Series. Introducing Aoremon Replacement Toothbrush Heads, designed for your Philips Sonicare E-Series toothbrush. Experience a fresh clean with every brush. These brush heads are specifically engineered to be compatible with the Philips Sonicare E-Series models. Enjoy a perfect fit and optimal performance. This value pack includes 6 replacement brush heads, each with its own protective cap. Keep your brushes hygienic and ready for use, wherever you go. Achieve a superior clean that helps remove more plaque than a manual toothbrush. They are designed to reach deep between teeth for a thorough clean. Replacing your brush head is simple and quick. Just pop off the old one and snap on a new one for a consistently effective brushing experience. Regularly replacing your brush heads is key to maintaining excellent oral hygiene. Ensure your Philips Sonicare E-Series continues to deliver its best performance. What we like. This option offers a great value with its 6-pack and included caps for hygiene. If you're looking for a budget-friendly replacement that keeps your brush heads protected, this is a solid choice. What people say. These replacement heads are compatible with my Philips Sonicare C3. The bristles are soft and effective for cleaning. They provide a thorough clean and leave my teeth feeling smooth. Number 4. Brushmo Plaque Control Replacement Toothbrush Heads. Experience a dentist clean feeling every day. These brush heads are designed to effectively remove plaque for healthier gums and teeth. Enjoy seamless compatibility with your Philips Sonicare toothbrush handle. They click on easily for a secure fit. Our soft DuPont bristles provide a gentle yet thorough clean. They are kind to your gums while effectively cleaning your teeth. Stock up and save with this convenient pack of 8 replacement heads. Keep your smile bright for longer. Add a touch of color to your daily routine. These brush heads come in a stylish pink that looks great in any bathroom. This specific model, BM928PK, ensures you get the quality and performance you expect. It's the perfect replacement for your current brush head. What we like. Designed for superior plaque removal with soft DuPont bristles, this set is ideal for those seeking a thorough clean. If you want to target plaque buildup and prefer a gentle feel, consider this 8-pack. What people say. The brush heads are genuine and fit my toothbrush perfectly. These replacement heads provide a thorough clean and leave my teeth feeling smooth. The bristles are soft yet effective, and they seem to last a good amount of time. Number 3. OralClass Replacement Toothbrush Heads for Philips Sonicare. Experience a superior clean with our replacement toothbrush heads. Designed for a perfect fit, they ensure optimal performance for your daily oral care routine. Our medium soft bristles provide a gentle yet thorough cleaning experience. They effectively remove plaque and stains, promoting healthier gums and brighter teeth. These brush heads are specifically engineered to seamlessly click onto your Philips Sonicare handles. Enjoy the convenience of a perfect match every time. This convenient 8-pack ensures you have replacements readily available. Keep your oral hygiene routine consistent without frequent repurchases. Invest in your oral health with brush heads that deliver exceptional results. Achieve a dentist clean feeling every day and maintain a radiant smile. What we like. These offer a medium soft bristle dew, providing a balance between effective cleaning and gum comfort. If you have sensitive gums or prefer a less firm brushing experience, this 8-pack refill is suitable. What people say. These replacement heads are a perfect fit for my Philips Sonicare C3. The bristles are soft yet effective, providing a thorough clean without irritating my gums. I've noticed a significant improvement in my oral hygiene since switching to these heads. Number 2. Replacement Toothbrush Heads for Philips Sonicare. Achieve a dentist clean feeling every day. These replacement heads are designed for superior plaque control, ensuring a healthier smile. Effortlessly upgrade your brushing experience. They are designed to be compatible with your Philips Sonicare toothbrush, offering a perfect fit. Experience a gentle yet effective clean. The bristles are designed to remove more plaque than a manual toothbrush, while being kind to your gums. Keep your smile bright without breaking the bank. This 10-pack ensures you have replacements ready for months to come. Don't let old brush heads diminish your clean. Restore the optimal performance of your electric toothbrush with these fresh replacements. Achieve a naturally whiter smile with every brush. They effectively remove surface stains for a brighter appearance. What we like. Focusing on plaque control, this 10-pack ensures you have plenty of replacements on hand. If maximizing your supply for effective plaque removal is your priority, this large pack is a convenient option. What people say. The brush heads are genuine and fit perfectly. These replacement heads provide a great clean and leave my teeth feeling smooth. The bristles are soft yet effective, and they last a good amount of time. Number 1. Philips Sonicare Replacement Brush Heads, 12-pack. Keep your smile bright with genuine Philips Sonicare Replacement Brush Heads. This pack ensures you always have a fresh brush ready. Get incredible value with this 12-pack of brush heads. It's enough to keep you covered for months to come. Experience a gentle yet effective clean with medium soft bristles. They are designed to be kind to your gums while removing plaque. These brush heads are designed to fit a wide range of Philips Sonicare models. Enjoy seamless compatibility with your favorite toothbrush. This pack conveniently includes both white and black brush heads. You can easily distinguish between users or simply choose your preferred color. Regularly replacing your brush head is key to maintaining optimal oral health. Ensure your Philips Sonicare is always performing at its best. What we like. With a generous 12-pack and compatibility across many Philips Sonicare series, this set offers versatility and quantity. If you have multiple Philips Sonicare models or want a mixed set of white and black heads, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The brush heads are easy to replace. They provide a deep clean and leave teeth feeling very smooth. The bristles are soft yet effective at removing plaque. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.